Hello, we are group 13 and we are Jenny Alexandra Cárdenas Merchan, Angie Shirley Duarte Giraldo, Omar Fabian Medina Benitez, and myself, Monica Pilar Castillo Ortiz. Welcome to the chat about our favorite food. For me, my favorite food is the paisa try, and really like it because it's combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and vegetables. Sweets include beans, ground beef, rice, plantain, egg, corn cake, avocado, crackling, and sushi. It's colorful presentation make my absolute love it. Alexandra, tell me what your favorite food is and why?
Hello, my name is Jenny. That's green, Monica. I green, it's true. In my opinion, ajiaco is the most delicious food. And do you know because I love soup and traditional Colombia dishes. The trucker of ajiaco is creamy and its flavor is unique. What I love most is the combination of chicken, course on the cob, and the different types of potatoes, which is a very special consistency. It's definitely my favorite. I love it because it's a very nutrition dish are perfect for sharing with family. When served with rice and avocado, its flavor is even more delicious. Every time it's ajiaco, I feel happy because it reminds me of familiar gardens and our country tradition. For all these reasons, ajiaco is my favorite food. Thank you, Monica, for sharing your opinion. Without a doubt, both trains, paisa and ajiaco are representative dishes of Colombia cuisine and reflect and tradition, culture and customs.